Welcome back to Car Culture State, where we dive deep into the heart of the automotive world. Today, we're checking out one of the most anticipated SUVs of the year, the 2025 Tata Scorpio Zeta. A name that already carries a lot of weight in India's SUV culture, the new Scorpio Zeta pushes the boundaries even further with a bolder design, more tech, and improved performance. So buckle up as we explore everything this beast has to offer. Right from the first look, the Scorpio Zeta makes a commanding impression. Tata has given this SUV a completely new design language that looks more urban yet retains that rugged, go-anywhere vibe that Scorpio is known for. The front grille is massive, finished in gloss black with chrome accents that add a touch of aggression. The LED projector headlamps with integrated DRLs have a sharp, futuristic design. Below that, the bumper houses sporty fog lamps and a muscular skid plate that hints at its off-road capabilities. Move to the side and you'll notice the strong character lines running across the body. The wheel arches are pronounced and house newly designed 18-inch alloy wheels that look both premium and tough. The Zeta variant also gets side cladding, chrome door handles, and roof rails that add to its visual appeal. At the rear, the LED tail lamps have a vertical layout, somewhat similar to the older Scorpio, but with a modern touch. The rear spoiler, shark fin antenna, and dual-tone bumper complete the look. Now let's step inside, and this is where Tata has made some of the most significant upgrades. The cabin of the 2025 Scorpio Zeta feels a lot more premium and tech-friendly compared to its predecessors. The dual-tone dashboard looks clean and modern, with soft touch materials used generously across the cabin. The center console houses a large 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is smooth, responsive, and easy to navigate. Right behind the steering wheel is a fully digital instrument cluster that gives you all the vital driving info in crisp detail. Tata has also equipped the Zeta variant with a premium 9-speaker JBL sound system, ambient lighting, wireless charging pad, and even ventilated front seats, a first for the Scorpio lineup. The flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in leather feels nice to hold and comes with mounted controls for audio, cruise control, and voice commands. In terms of seating, the Scorpio Zeta is available in both 6- and 7-seater layouts. The captain seats in the second row are extremely comfortable and offer great thigh and lumbar support. Rear passengers also get AC vents, USB charging ports, and sun blinds, making long drives a lot more comfortable. Boot space is decent, and with the third row seats folded down, you can carry quite a bit of luggage. Under the hood, the 2025 Scorpio Zeta comes with a 2.2-liter diesel engine that churns out around 172 bhp and 400 Nm of torque. It's mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. The power delivery is smooth, and the SUV feels planted and confident, whether you're driving through city traffic or hitting the highway. Tata has worked on the NVH levels too, so engine and road noise are well contained inside the cabin. One of the standout features of the new Scorpio Zeta is its suspension setup. It rides on a double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension with coil springs, which means the ride quality is vastly improved. It soaks up bumps and potholes with ease, and you hardly feel any harshness inside the cabin. The steering has also been fine-tuned for better feedback and ease of use, especially at lower speeds. When it comes to safety, Tata has packed the Scorpio Zeta with features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold and descent control, a 360-degree camera, and even front and rear parking sensors. There's also ISOFIX mounts for child seats, and the SUV is expected to score well in crash safety ratings, continuing Tata's legacy of building solid, safe vehicles. Now let's talk about pricing. While Tata hasn't officially revealed the prices for the Zeta variant just yet, industry insiders suggest it'll fall in the 17 to 20 lakh rupee bracket, depending on the variant and drivetrain. That puts it in direct competition with vehicles like the Mahindra Scorpio N, Hyundai Creta, and even the MG Hector. But with its rugged charm, feature-loaded cabin, and trusted Tata build quality, the Scorpio Zeta could be a real game-changer in the segment. To sum it up, the 2025 Tata Scorpio Zeta is not just an upgrade, it's a full transformation. It blends the old-school toughness of the Scorpio name with the modern luxury and tech that today's buyers demand. Whether you're someone who loves long road trips, city cruising, or the occasional off-road adventure, the Scorpio Zeta promises to deliver a solid all-round experience. That's it for today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Tata Scorpio Zeta. Would you consider it over the competition? And don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to CarCulturestate for more in-depth reviews, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.